Planchahin ko muna itong damit ni Kira kaya may activity sila sa school today. Good morning everyone. Ito yung itsura ko, oh. So, ito yung damit niya all day today. Iwan ko kung ano yung activity nila. Basta ito yung parang outfit nila. Okay. Don't forget to wash your face, please, and brush. Okay.
Guys, today we're going to be like eating what they would eat in the Roman times today in my class. Only my class is doing Roman Day, because we're learning about Romans. So yeah, this is actually a karami top. Like I don't have a proper.
I'll show you your
top.
whole outfit in a minute. Let me do this one first.
Don't curl it harsh, Mama,
Okay.
because I don't want it to look like a fully curl because that's not what they would have. Like, Mummy, can you add like eyeshadow under my eye, like next to it, and some on my cheeks,
Yeah.
and like my head?
Okay. My hair today as well.
Cause like, Mummy, it has to look like I've been doing work.
Oh, okay.
Cause like, and when you were 8 years old in the Roman times, you would already have to work.
All right.
Yeah, so you would get assigned a job. Like, some kid would be a fisher, something like that.
Don't know that.
Remember, not harsh. I don't want it to look like I'm good. Perfectly.
Wag ka.
So this is my grand. She's real gold, and this is real gold. It's my grand's.
To your so granddad will take you to school, yeah?
Or flip flops. I would always wear flip flops. Cause I always need white.
Yeah.
Cause Miss pretends has some they're brown, but she said like a gold white colour. So first of all, do my makeup. I did my face and my teeth.
Okay. That's all good.
Guys, I'm gonna show you. We're gonna stop you now and show you my makeup. Guys, we're gonna put a bit of strand, only a bit. Like maybe put it on your finger and then rub it down my hair. But like go like that down my
Yeah,
hair.
no, because the sponge is not.
But don't do it harsh. Do it lightly.
The sponge is not great.
Yeah, I hate the sponge. And put it all around my hair like I've been doing work. Put it on the other side as well.
Yeah, no, but it doesn't look good, Bob.
Okay.
That's alright. Just a little
Okay,
bit.
that's good. Okay, now we have to do the eyeshadow, so it looks like I've been working. So go put that away, please. I've been doing like work, so it looks dusty.
Okay, just here.
Yeah, and then somebody like just bit. Like I've been doing dust and put it somewhere else as well. Maybe mix it with cashmere, then do it somewhere else. Not under both eyes, because then it would just look like in the same spot. Maybe like here. Don't put it all around, just put like a dot. Like I've been doing work. Like I'm the builder.
Okay. Ay, naku, si Kira. Come on.
Bronzer in one spot.
I need to do my makeup as well. Ano lang ako, tawag nito, naglagay lang ako ng sunscreen. Ito yung aking gamit.
I need to dab a sponge.
May work ako today. Doon lang naman ako sa aking fish and chips. Madali lang. Sa after nito, mag-relax ako. Tapos mamaya na lang ako mag-vlog afterward. Si Dave wala dito. Umuwi si Dave nung Wednesday. Tapos nag-relax lang siya kahapon Thursday. Tapos ngayon Friday back to training. May training na naman sila hanggang Monday. So, nandito na naman siya mga Monday night. So, this time is medyo malapit lang, mga 3 hours away. Ang Sunday kasi is malayo. Mga 6 hours away yun. Kala ko malapit lang ba? Hala kay, sabi niya doon daw sa ano, malapit na sa Scotland. So malayo. Tapos lahat yun, train. Diba? Parang connecting, mga ganun. Ilipat ka na naman ng ibang ano, platform. Tapos pagkadating mo, lilipat ka na parang 3 train ata. Mga ganun. So, pagod siya nung umuwi siya ng Wednesday night. Hinayaan ko na lang din kahapon matulog. Kahapon, doon lang talaga siya sa kwarto. Natulog, nag-cellphone kasi may work din naman ako kahapon. So, tapos si Kira nasa school. So, wala namang masyadong gagawin din dito. Punta ako mamaya sa Morrison kay paubos na yung aking dishwashing. Bibili ako ng dinner namin ni Kira mamaya. Hindi ko alam. Ang hirap mag-isip ng dinner eh. Tapos everyday ba? I mean, ako easy lang naman ako kay as long as may rice, may manok, ganun ba, madali lang. Alam niyo, see you na lang later after work kay maglinis-linis muna ako dito. Para mamaya, bukas pag nakauwi na si Kira.
Yeah, this is the second one actually, because the first one that was, let us say, 2-3 weeks ago, now £160.
All right, okay. Bear with me a moment. I'm just going to see if one of my colleagues in the legal team is available. Won't be a moment.
No worries.
I'm just going to see who's going.
Yeah, but this one is just for me.
So, wait lang. Mag-wash muna ako ng kamay. Kaka-open ko lang, tapos may mail. So, binuksan ko kasi naka-address pa sa akin. Alam mo, pagbukas ko, ito oh. So, hindi pa daw bayad yung, alam niyo ba nung 2 weeks ago, di ba nag-vlog ako nung time na sinabi ko na kailangan na namin magbayad about dun sa umuwi kami ng Pilipinas. So, nagbayad kami ng £80. So, ngayon, nagpadala na naman sila ng another mail saying na kailangan kong magbayad ako mismo para sa akin to. Ngayon, alam ko na kung bakit. Kaya pala, nag-send sila kay Dave, nag-send din sila sa akin. Kahit mag-asawa kayo, para sa mga mama ba, para ma-aware din kayo, no? So, pag yung anak nyo is mag-absent, so, kailangan per parent. So, kailangan magbayad yung mama, kailangan magbayad yung mom and the dad. So, £80 sa akin, £80 kay Dave. So, that time, yung nabayaran is kay Dave. Kasi nga, akala namin, in one go na yun. Lahat na yun. Isang bayaran na yun. So, yun, may sumagot. Sabi ng babae, per parent. Grabe, no? Grabe yung council. Like, it's annoying. Sabi ko, even though we're married, we need to pay per person. Sabi niya, yeah, you need to pay £80 each. So, meron akong 1 week para bayaran yung £80. So, sinabi niya sa akin, okay, I will cut it down to £80 kasi nga nagka-misunderstanding daw. So yun, so £80 per parent. So dapat nung time na nabayad kami is £160. So wait lang, I'm going to speak to Dave kasi sabi ko sa kanya, pwede ka bang tumawag kasi meron akong sasabihin. Hello? Thanks for your help. No, there is a number. I phoned them. So anyway, nagawa ako ng kape iced coffee kay parang na-stress ako kanina sa pagka-open ko ng mail ba, parang na-shock ako sa 160. Hay, nako, ang daming mga bayaran ko kaya dito sa ibang bansa wala, hindi ka talaga makatakas. Pag bayaran mo talaga kasi paulit-ulit ka nilang sinda ng mga mail hanggang magbayad ka, ganun dito. Sa Pilipinas okay lang kung walang bayad ng tax pero dito hindi ka talaga I need this. So yung ginawa ko kanina, nagawa ako ng kape, hinayaan ko lang siya hanggang makauwi ako para pagka-uwi ko, malamig na. So yung gagawin ko na lang is maglagay na lang ng ice. Diba? So pumunta ako sa Morrison after work kasi bumili ako ng salmon Tapos bumili ako ng chicken wings. Ano ba ba yung binili ko? From breakfast ko bukas. Yun lang. So, yeah. So, mag-relax muna ako guys. Kasi I need to rest. Kasi ang init kanina sa work. Kasi diba, fish and chips. Yung fryer is mainit pag busy. And, mag-ice coffee muna ako. Talk to you guys later. Bye! Dito kami sa labas ng Morrison. Kunin namin yung parcel na in-order ko ng isang araw para kay Kira.
What number?
Darling, here. Just there.
No.
Sure, nag-fail food siya. Oy! You happy?
Guys, but I don't know why you zoomed in. Guys, I don't know why you zoomed in. Go. Hi, I took film with us. Okay, let's have a look. And we'll go to this without a tent. I bet it will be amazing. I'm going to see my BFF later. Let's open it. You can get this from Amazon. Oh my god! Slay is a tree kit, a pink kit, a purple kit and blue, a charm kit, an orange kit, that's 4 packs so far. And then we have, oh my god, I love the string. 2 strings, some tweezers, some scissors, and some more beads, and then my earrings. See you all in my next video. Bye. 5 kids! Mommy!
Yeah.
Tell me to have. I've 8 brace tickets!
This is a trash, yeah?
Oh my god, Mummy! Thank you! Mummy, I love these.
Good. Mag-8 na. So, it's time to clean my face. Tapos, makapag-wash na. Si Kira, kailangan nyo na mag-shower. So, anyway, pakita ko muna sa inyo nung kasi lagi kong sinasabi, ipakita ko sa inyo pero hindi ko siya nagagawa. So, ito yung pangalan nung nabili ko sa Brighton nung pumunta kami. Yung pangalan niya. Basta tingnan nyo na lang siya. So, Korean product siya. Ang ganda niya. Pag makabalik ulit ako ng Brighton, bibili ako ng day cream or night cream. Basta, nagustuhan ko kasi siya. Diba sabi nila pag galing Korea, maganda daw. So yeah, ako ay napagod today as in. Parang napagod talaga ako today. No? Kasi Friday na. Oh dear. So tomorrow, punta tayo ng Eastbourne kay my last term show si Kira sa kanyang stagecoach. So pupunta kami, ako, si mother-in-law, father-in-law, at saka yung aking sister-in-law. So kami 4. Si Dave kasi wala dito, so Monday pa siya makaka-uwi. So, yung magsundo bukas kay Kira dito is yung auntie niya, tapos ihatid siya doon sa Eastbourne kay dapat nandun na sila ng 9:30. Kaya syempre mag-try pa sila ng mga damit, tapos mag-ano pa sila, mag-practice pa yun sila. So, i-end ko na dito yung vlog kasi ako ay mag-shower na, makapag-ready na para matulog ng maaga. Napagod talaga ako today. Ano nga ba yung gagawin ko tonight? Yeah, wala na akong gagawin. Alam niyo ba, grabe, pahirapan talaga yung nag-download, di ba may app ako para sa driving lesson ko. Grabe, ang hirap talaga ng booking as in. Yung mga cancellation ba, ang bilis talaga niyang mawala. So, like every day, like kung nakaupo ako, lagi ako nakaganon sa cellphone ko. Hoping na meron ako makita ng cancellation. Pero, meron naman marami, pero, yun nga lang, hindi ko siya natatimingan, or pag natimingan ko man siya, yung internet mahina, lagi ako na ganun-ganun, nagra-rush ako ba. Siguro sa dami ng mga nagbo-booking ba, yung website ng DVSA, talagang nag-stop siya, hindi siya nag-work. So anyway guys, i-end ko na dito yung vlog. So thank you so much for watching this vlog for today, and I hope to see you guys on the next one.